Filing ITR-1 for assessment year 2026 to 27. This guide will walk you through the complete process. ITR-1 can be used to report income from salary or pension, two house properties, family pension, agricultural income, up to 5,000 rupees, long-term capital gains under Section 112A, up to 1.25 lakh rupees, and other sources, including savings account interest, deposit interest, interest on income tax refund, etc.
Follow these steps to file ITR-1 on the Income Tax e-filing portal. Structured, clear, aligned with your filing journey.
First, visit incometax.gov.in and log in with your credentials. Go to e-file, then Income Tax Returns and click on File Income Tax Return. Select assessment year as 2026 to 27 and choose mode of filing as online. If you have a saved return, click Resume Filing. If not, click Start New Filing to begin a fresh submission. Choose your applicable status and proceed. From the drop-down menu, select ITR-1, Sahaj, and proceed with this form. If you're unsure which ITR applies to you, select Help me decide which ITR form to file and answer the questions to find out. Go through the document checklist and click Let's get started. Choose the appropriate reason for filing the return and continue. Review the pre-filled data carefully with your AIS and Form 26AS, make changes wherever required, and confirm. Enter income and deduction details under relevant sections. Review tax computation. If tax is due, click Pay Now, complete the payment, and return to filing. If no tax is payable or refund is due, continue to the next step. If SAT payment details are not auto-populated, then you need to enter it manually in the ITR form. Click on Resume Filing, go to the Tax Paid section, click Add Another, enter the payment details, then click Save and Confirm to proceed. Confirm declaration and proceed to validation. After filing, system will run validation checks. If errors are found, review the message and take action as per the suggestion mentioned to resolve the error. Once internal validation is successful, click Preview to review the complete return and click Proceed to validation. Once validated, click Proceed to verification. Choose your preferred e-verification method and complete the process. Your ITR-1 filing is complete. Always review all sections carefully before submission.